All right, if you're a local business owner, listen up. Your online presence, it's not just some extra nice-to-have thing anymore. It's literally your new front door. Today, we're going to break down how you can turn your online world into your most powerful tool for growth. Let's dive in.
But first, I want you to really think about this for a second. A brand new customer is out there, looking for exactly what you offer. Where is that first interaction happening? Is it the sign above your shop, a flyer you sent out, or is it somewhere else entirely?
And there it is. That's the crucial shift. For the vast majority of your potential customers, that first handshake, that first impression, it happens right here, on their phone or their computer. And you know what? Getting that moment right is everything.
So let's start with the big question you're probably asking. Why does this actually matter for my bottom line? Look, this isn't about being trendy. It's about survival and growth. Your digital presence is the engine for your real-world business, and I'm about to show you exactly why.
Think about it like this. Before a customer ever decides to visit your physical shop, they've already visited you online. A clean, professional website basically says, hey, we're credible, we're open for business. But a broken or, yikes, a missing website, that can make even the best local spot seem totally out of touch, or, even worse, closed for good.
And think about how you search for things today. You pull out your phone and type, plumber near me, or best coffee near me. Being visible in those local searches is like having the best real estate in town. It funnels people who are ready to buy right now directly to your phone and your front door.
Here is a powerful truth. People just don't trust ads as much as they trust other people. Your online reviews, photos from happy customers, those testimonials. That's what we call social proof. It's the modern version of word of mouth, and man, is it a massive trust builder.
And really, it all boils down to this one simple idea. People will trust what other customers say about your business way more than what you say about it. Your marketing's important for sure, but it's the real, authentic voices of your customers that will convince somebody new to give you a shot.
And let's not forget two other huge drivers here. First, your competitors are definitely online. If a customer can't find you, you can bet they will find them. And second, your online presence is just a goldmine of data. You can see what services people are looking at, what time of day they're searching. It lets you make smart business decisions instead of just guessing.
Okay, so you're on board. But what does a digital presence actually mean? It can sound kind of big and overwhelming, but it's really not. Let's just break it down into a simple, totally actionable checklist.
So first, let's get on the same page. Your digital presence is simply everything a customer sees when they search for you online. That's it. It's the whole picture, from your website to your reviews, that creates their first impression of you. Don't get overwhelmed by this. You just need to start with these 4 core assets. Think of your website as your home base, the central hub for everything. Your Google business profile, that's what gets you found in those near me searches. Social media is where you show your personality and build a community. And online reviews, well, they're your trust engine. Get these 4 right and you've built one heck of a foundation.
Now let's zoom in on the most important piece of that puzzle, your website. It's the centerpiece of your digital storefront. But so many businesses make these common mistakes that basically slam the door in a customer's face. Let's make sure that's not you.
Mistake number 1, and it's a big one, is slow website. We're all impatient, right? If your site takes more than, say, 3 seconds to load, people are gone. They'll just hit the back button and go straight to your competitor. Speed is not a luxury, it's an absolute must. Next up, a cluttered layout. You know the ones. You land on a page and it's just a wall of text, a million images, no clear direction. You just get overwhelmed and confused. A clean, simple layout with plenty of white space is so much better. It guides the visitor's eyes and helps them find exactly what they're looking for. And here's a stat you just cannot ignore. Well over half of all web traffic now comes from mobile devices. This isn't some passing trend, it's just the reality now. And if you're not ready for it, you're making our next huge mistake.
So, if your website looks broken or is a pain to use on a phone, you're losing more than half your potential customers right out of the gate. Your site absolutely has to be responsive, which just means it automatically adjusts itself to look great and work perfectly on any screen, from a giant desktop monitor all the way down to a tiny smartphone.
Let's talk about navigation. If I land on your site and I can't easily find your hours, your services, or your phone number in just a few seconds, I'm going to get frustrated and just leave. Your menu has to be simple, logical, and totally predictable. Don't make people hunt for the basics.
And finally, consistency.
Using a bunch of different fonts, clashing colors, a random mix of image styles, it just makes your business look unprofessional and disorganized. Having a unified brand identity, using the same colors, logos, and fonts everywhere, builds recognition and, most importantly, it builds trust.
So we've covered the why, the what, and the how. Now let's put it all together into a clear path forward, a real plan that leads to smarter growth and actual results for your business.
So here it is, your 4-step path to growth. 1. Build those core assets we talked about. 2. Earn trust with great reviews. 3. Fix the basic design flaws on your website. And 4. Just watch as those online clicks start turning into real paying customers. It's a straightforward process, but it delivers powerful results.
So, I'll leave you with this one last thought. Take a hard, honest look at your online presence as it is today. Is it an open, welcoming front door for new customers? Or are you, maybe without even realizing it, making it hard for them to come inside? The choice and the opportunity is all yours.